I just found a brand new way to make viral reels on Instagram, and I'm gonna tell you for absolutely free. Wondering what it is? It's this kind of anime reels. These anime reels are taking over the Instagram. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create them, step by step. Before we jump into the steps, let's take a look at an Instagram account that's absolutely killing it with these anime reels. This Instagram account has been consistently posting viral anime content and gaining thousands of followers and millions of views in less than 2 freaking months. They even have their online store linked in their bio, and you can imagine how much they're making with this amount of views. What's even crazier is that there are 2 other accounts doing something similar and growing like crazy as well. Now, you're probably wondering,
can I do this too?
well, absolutely. In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to make this kind of video, step by step. Now, let's get into how you can create these viral anime reels yourself. Step 1. Choose your anime picture. First, you need to find the right kind of image. If you look closely, these reels aren't actually videos, they're moving images. You can find these images on Leonardo AI. There are a bunch to choose from, so download whichever ones you like. Step 2. Adding motion to the image. Now, let's add motion to your image. You can use Immersity AI for this. Simply upload your image to Immersity AI. Once uploaded, the image will appear in motion. You can adjust the motion settings from here to get the effect you want. When you're satisfied with the result, click on Export to save your animated image. To add more length to your video, click here. Now that our animated video is saved, we need to remove the watermark. You can do that on CapCut by simply cropping out the watermark. Step 3. Adding music to the animated video. Let's bring your image to life by adding music to your saved video. You can also do this on Instagram, but I'm doing it on CapCut. First, choose the music that suits your video. I'm choosing a calm, relaxing sound. You can adjust the volume from here. Once you're satisfied with the result, click on Export to save your video. Now let's watch how the finished video looks.
Nice.
And there you have it. By following these steps, you can create engaging and viral anime reels for Instagram. And here are 3 extra tips to increase your chances of going viral. Tip number 1. Keep your video length between 9 to 10 seconds to increase the chances of it going viral. Tip number 2. Add trending music to your video that other creators are already using. Tip number 3. Use the same tags that big creators are using. Why not use something that is already working? So that's it, folks. Remember to post consistently and interact with your followers to grow your audience, because who doesn't love a little attention? If you have any questions or need more tips, drop a comment below. Happy creating!